Hi there, in this video tutorial, we're going to step through the process for taking attendance for students that are in hybrid, distance learning, and face-to-face mode. The Minnesota Department of Education requires schools to track and monitor daily attendance while students are in one of those three models. Attendance must be taken and recorded at least once per day for elementary and by period for secondary students in grades 6 through 12. Students are expected to have interaction with their teachers to be considered in attendance on any given day. This interaction may include, but is not limited to, participation in a Google Meet or chat, a phone call with a student, or for younger students, a phone call with the parent, posting completed work to the learning management system, text messages, or submissions using Flipgrid, Edpuzzle, Google Forms, or other web-based data collection tools. Over the summer, campus made some changes in their system to accommodate for attendance in hybrid or distance learning mode. When students are not physically assigned to be in the classroom, they will be required to log into their campus student portal and choose the new daily check-in option, which will be available from 6 a.m. through midnight. Students in grades K-5 check in once a day, accessible from both campus student portal or campus parent portal, allowing parents to assist their younger children in this check-in process. Grade 6 through 12 students check in for each of their classes using campus student portal. This check-in is a student's agreement that they are virtually attending to the requirements for the day. Staff in grades 6 or 12 will verify learners' daily attendance for the week before the end of the day each Friday. K-5 staff will verify distance learners' daily attendance by the end of the day Monday for work completed that previous week. Let's take a look at how this looks in Infinite Campus from the elementary point of view. Secondary is very similar. All staff will log into Infinite Campus and choose the attendance module on the left-hand side. Once logged in, you'll notice, depending upon the model that you're teaching in, those students that physically attend will show up in the top half. Those students that are in virtual mode, whether it's hybrid or distance learning mode, will be listed in the bottom section here. For those students that are physically attending the class, you'd mark attendance as normal. For those students that are in the virtual mode, hybrid or distance learning, those students are required to log into campus each day and click the check-in option. This action will automatically mark the student as present for the day. If a student does not check in, they will automatically be marked as absent. If a student engaged but simply forgot to go to the check-in process, staff can mark the student as participated by checking the participation box and clicking save. In the example down here, this student had the green check, they checked in and they are marked present. The student forgot to do the check-in and they will be marked as absent. If a staff verified that that learner actually did do something, they can place the check under the participation column and click save, and that student would now be marked as in attendance. Priority attention should be given to those students who failed to check in. All other learner action for elementary students can be verified by Monday for work completed that previous week. The secondary look is very similar. Those students that are physically with you in the classroom will be listed here in the top section. Those students in distance or hybrid mode will be in the virtual section. If the student completed the check-in, they'll get the green check and would be marked present. If there's no green check, they're absent. As a staff member, if you would like to check that they have participated because you did verify, you can place the check here and they'd be marked as present. Priority attention should be given to those students who failed to check in. All other learner interaction can be verified by Friday of each week. From the student's point of view, the process is very simple. Students log into their campus portal, or the parents could, if the kids are younger, go to the attendance option. Within that option, there's a check-in section. Click the attendance arrow. That will bring up a screen where the student will check, "Yes, I'm here." Upon completion of checking that, they will receive a confirmation that they've checked in, and as an instructor in your attendance module, you'll have that green mark indicating that that student completed the check-in for the day. As a brief summary, we provided you with the slide here that just verifies some of the key steps with attendance in terms of what happens if they did not submit and what happens if they did submit their daily check-in. We thank you for your time. Have a great start to the school year and good luck.